Hi everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can find and synchronize your contacts in Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel, like, comment. Let's get started. To do this, we go to Instagram. Next, we need to go to our page. Here at the top right corner, we click on the three bars to go to the Settings menu. Then we come to Settings and Privacy. Here we need to go to Meta Account Center, click on it. Then we scroll down a little bit. Go to your information and permissions. Next, we click Upload Contacts. Now we need to select our Instagram page. Now we need to make sure that we have all of our Instagram contacts enabled. If you don't have it enabled, you will just need to enable it. And after that, you can go to your page. And then you go to your subscriptions. You go all the way to the bottom. And then you'll find the Find People to Follow button. You click on it. And here we can see with you all the contacts or people that Instagram thinks we might know. And here we can find the person that we want to follow. If we find the person that we want to follow, we'll just have to click Follow here. We'll see that we're subscribed to that person. Okay, now if we go into our subscriptions, that's how easy and simple it is to synchronize and find your Instagram contacts and subscribe to them. I hope this video was helpful for you. Put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to the channel. See you later.